Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi, the creator, putting on a show. I'm sharing do-it-yourself projects and home decor with the best budget ever. You see, that's what I do. Oh, it's Christmas time for styling and fun. We will make your home beautiful. My style is simple, easy, and lovely. So come and decorate with me this holiday season. And from my YouTube family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, you're going to see me run through the house doing some final touch-ups for my home for Christmas. This is the last tree that I have to decorate, and I've just walked by this tree and hadn't quite decided what I want to do with it as of yet, but I think I've made up my mind, and I'm going to go ahead and get this tree ready. And then I'm going to show you a few other trees I've done. I need to share with you my mantle styling. So I may do that before I share this video. We will see how everything goes. But yeah, this is today is going to be final touch up, get ready for Christmas Day. All right. So guys, if you are interested in that and seeing how I do that, then of course, stick around. I want to welcome you all here. Go ahead, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you are choosing to drink at whatever time of day that you're watching this video, and just sit back and relax. Now, what I'm doing is adding these little, almost look like snowball. So I'm going to add these little snowball ornaments onto this tree as I have the flocked or snow garland that is cascading my staircase in here. So I thought that would be perfect to do this in here. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this tree, and then I'll come back and share you guys with some other things that I'm doing today. Oh, before I do that, this is some frosted garland that I picked up from Dwayne's, and these are some of the picks. It's almost like they have berries on it, blueberries on them. And then this is the garland that I'm going to use. So stick around. I'll finish this up, and I'll come back and share with you guys the final of this tree. Just remember what she's looking like right here, and then I'll come back. Okay, guys, you know what time it is. It's break time. Go ahead and get your coffee, tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit on back and relax. Again, like I stated, I'm going to be running through this house today, doing some final touch-ups, and I want you guys to just enjoy the show. I'm doing the work. I'm your host. I'm Gigi Faison. Get your coffee, get your tea, something to drink, something to snack on. I welcome you into my home. Hope that you will feel the joy here, and I hope that you will feel like you're welcomed and you're wanting to come back again. And the way that you do that is, you see that subscribe button, just press that subscribe button. And then you see something that says all. Go ahead and hit all so that you don't miss out on any of the videos that are created on this channel. Hit that notification bell. That'll let you know when I post something. If you love home decor, anything about decorating your home and loving your home and loving the way it looks, this is definitely the right place. Today is all about Christmas decorations and knowing the reason for the season, knowing that we serve a God that loves us all, regardless of the color, texture of our skin, our hair, or anything like that. This is the reason for the season. Let's show some love to everybody, God. Let's show love. The season of love. So can you see how this is beginning to transform? Now, I've not completed my topper as of yet. I've just been playing around with it. But I've added the garland onto the tree. And can you just envision how this is going to look when it's all done? But I wanted to give you a sneak peek of it. Alright guys, I just brought you in for a closer look as to how dramatic this is going to look once I'm done adding everything to it. But I wanted you to see, as I added the garland, the drama that this garland is going to bring to this tree is going to be absolutely amazing. So I'm going to finish work, and you guys are going to have to hold on just Okay guys, I'm going to bring you in for a closer look. We are starting at this topper here. Well, I have it adorned with so many beautiful picks. Some that I purchased from TJ Maxx and some that I purchased from my favorite store, Dwayne's. And I have this tree here adorned so beautifully, guys. I've added in these snowball ornaments. The little bluebird here I purchased from Belk. The snowball ornaments I purchased last season from Hobby Lobby. And then this deep red ornaments I ordered online, and I'm not sure if I got those from Michael's or if I got them from the at-home store, but I ordered them from online, and I thought they were just gonna add some color here to my front entranceway. I adorned this tree not with ribbon but with garland for the drama that this garland is given. It has the icicle glistening on some of the picks throughout here, and so this is my front entrance tree for this season. I've added a red and white skirt around the bottom here, and it's right next to my staircasing where I have it adorned with snow garland along the stairs. So guys, sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of this video. As I stated, I'm going to be throughout the house today, just doing some finishing touches, and just never know what this video is going to contain with it. But I thank you guys so much for being here. Hopefully I will give you some ideas and inspiration that if you have not started your Christmas decorating, hopefully this will inspire you to do so. Check your home first. Use those things that you have, and if you need to go out and buy something, well, I think by this time of the year, pretty much everything is gone. But get out there in those streets and find those things that are 75 and 90% off and use them next year. That is my trick. I love to go and get those after season sales. All right, enjoy the rest of the video. So this garland that you see me using here is the same garland that I used on my mantle. It is without lights, so I will be using strand lights to light it. And it is the garland that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, but it feels so good and it is so thick and so plush, a great coverage. So here is the reveal of the console table. I chose to add vibrant red berries on top of the garland that is so plush and so real-like. I brought in a few of those little acorns laid on top as if they were falling from a tree. You have to visualize. The painting on the wall there is one that I found at Home Goods. We've gone in with the mercury glass lamps, one on each side, and the mercury glass candles, candle holders in the center. One chimeriserie vase is filled with poinsettias, and the other is filled with flocked picks. So this makes up the centerpiece, and I laid on top for ambiance the strand lights. So guys, thanks for watching. Continue to enjoy as I have a few more. As I said, I'm dancing around the house today. So guys, this is project number 3, my reindeer. These are the deer that I ordered from Walmart, and I want to change the collar and the eyes of the deer. So I have solicited the help of my husband. He's going to use the gold leaf paint from Amazon, and we're going to paint the collar as you see here on this one, and then we're going to go in and add some gold to their eyes. We're going to glam these up just a bit and they will work perfectly. So here I have completed the console table over on the side. Next I'm going to change out my curtains in this room, and that may be a wrap for this video. You'll have to come back and see how I finish styling the dining room space. But I'm going to go ahead and change out the curtains and share that with you, and then I'll see you real soon. Guys, this is all in a day's work. You saw me decorate a tree, solicited the help of my husband to give my deer a new look, completed the console table in my dining room, and now the finishing touches for this particular video will be hanging of the curtains. Reveal coming up very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. I appreciate you guys so very much.
Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi, the creator, putting on a show. I'm sharing do-it-yourself projects and home decor with the best budget ever. You see, that's what I do. Oh, it's Christmas time for styling and fun. We will make your home beautiful. My style is simple, easy, and lovely. So come and decorate with me this holiday season. And from my YouTube family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi, the creator, putting on a show. I'm sharing do-it-yourself projects and home decor with the best budget ever. You see, that's what I do. Oh, it's Christmas time for styling and fun. We will make your home beautiful. My style is simple, easy, and lovely. So come and decorate with me this holiday season. And from my YouTube family to yours, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Gather round the tinsel and the shimmering glow. I'm Gigi, the creator, putting on a show. I'm sharing do-it-yourself projects and home decor with the best budget ever. You see, that's what I do. Oh, it's Christmas